guys, welcome back to another Furnfire video. And today we are going to have a tiny little break from opening super things and move back on a Pokemon. Because I've got some Pokemon cards. And new thing, I'm going to give a subscriber shout out every video. So today's shout out is Josh. Hi Josh. And he is a big Pokemon fan, so yeah. So, on to the video. So we have a Ultra Prism 3-pack with the Alolan Vulpix promo card, and I'm pretty sure that's a Dialga coin. So, and we have Cosmic Eclipse single pack with a Ms. Magius promo card and a Lucario coin. So let's open these up and get the packs and stuff out. Let's do it. Right, I've got everything out. So first up we have, I'm pretty sure it's a Dialga coin. Don't get angry at me if it isn't. You can't really see the coins that well. You can see the Lucario one well, but the Dialga one is a bit like jumbled up. So yeah. And we obviously have the Ms. Magius promo card and the Alolan Vulpix promo card. And you guys, code number 1 and code number 2. So grab them codes. Right. So on to the first Ultra Prism pack. So I'm hoping to get a GX or Prism in this opening, and if we fail, well, I got another one for another video. Right, hey, we got it open. Right, take the code and use them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Done the right. So we have Darkness Energy, Fire Memory for Silvally, Grotto. I used to love this Pokemon. Perodly, Gebile, Dewpider, Stunky, Turtwig, Electabuzz, Reverse Heatran. We got Hollow Volklar. Yeah. Let's go. Holy moly. This is an amazing card. Wow. That is a good card for the first pack. Wow. Okay. Well, on to the next pack. Hopefully it's just as good as that one. I hate packaging. Can you see how the packaging is so large? Right. Next pack. Take that code because I don't use them. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Got Fairy Energy, Rotom, Drift Blim, Gabite, Baneri, Molo, Magma, Chimcha, Sneasel, Reverse Eevee, and Hollow Cresselia. Keeping with the good luck. That is crazy. We've already pulled 2 really good cards. How are we doing this? Right, 3rd pack in. And I swear, these packs aren't like weighed or anything. Holy moly. That is some luck if I've ever seen them. Open the pack. Right guys, this Pokemon cards, if you're watching this video, make your packs easier to open because they are really, really hard to open. Finally, we're in. Right. Take the code. 2, 3, 4. We got Water Energy, Rangaroo, another Drifblim, Palpad, Salandit, Piplup, Alolan Diglett, Riolu, Hippopotas, don't know if that's how you pronounce it, Reverse Rare Salazzle, and regular rare Tygnol, but holy moly, what even, reverse rare, every pack we've gotten a good card, holy moly, and we've still got a Cosmic Eclipse, Eclipse pack to open, holy moly, imagine if we get a good pull in this, that would honestly just be insane. Right, so we have Fairy Energy. Ooh, a tag team, Guzma and Hala. That must be in the new, well, in one of the newer Sword and Shield sets, because they were like sort of enemies. So that's interesting. I've never gotten a tag team trainer card before. I'll pop that in the rare thing because I've never got one before. I don't know if they're rare, but okay. Arachnid. We got Draw Energy, Stuffle, Rowlet, Phantom, Magnemite, Lillipup, Reverse Ponyard, yeah, Reverse Ponyard, and how? Surely this is impossible. Hollow Komao. How? Right. Give me a sec. That was insane. So I've got the recap sorted out. Let's go. So we've got the reverse rare Salazzle. We got Hollow Komao. Hollow Cresselia, and the big one, Volkner Full Art, which I've got in the Sword and Shield sleeve, Sword and Shield base set. This is just insane. I found out on the internet it goes for about £20. This is absolutely insane. Hit that thumbs up button if you think we can get the same amount of luck in here, because if we can, then wow. And also, tomorrow we will be getting back to opening super things, so hopefully we can complete more of that set. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave that thumbs up and subscribe. And also remember, any changes with the channel is in the channel description. Hit 10 likes on any video and we will recreate it. So see you guys next time. Bye!